What time is it, Carter? Alright, bro, I gotta go skate though. Shit. It's already light out and shit, man. Gotta go skate right now.
Who got cigarettes? What is wrong with this cigarette?
Yep.
There you go. Gotcha.
Oh,
Can I go on?
what do I? The party's over, dawn breaking gradually through on us, shows us how we were before. Why we waited so lonely, continue on to be again how we were before. And as you waited for me, you will be you waited for me, we will be together. And as you waited for me, I'll leave you again. Never, ever. So remember, we will all be mercifully turned to be again how we were before.
Yeah. So I'm here with. What's going on, fellas? How you guys doing? Just hanging out with the guys today. They is out here jamming. You know what I'm saying? Doing all the tricks that you love to do. Hey, guess what? Check us out. We in St. Louis.
Yeah.
Yep. Tell me, man. So how you feel about skateboarding, man?
I love skateboarding. It's the shit. You know, switch flip, switch mani. I don't got that, but.
I'm broke, but I'm happy. I'm poor, but I'm kind. I'm short, but I'm healthy. Yeah. I'm high, but I'm grounded. I'm sane, but I'm overwhelmed. I'm lost, but I'm hopeful, baby. And what it all comes down to is that everything's gonna be fine, fine, fine. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is giving a high five. I feel drunk, but I'm sober. I'm young and I'm underpaid. I'm tired, but I'm working, yeah. I care, but I'm restless. I'm here, but I'm really gone. I'm wrong and I'm sorry, baby. And what it all comes down to is that everything's gonna be quite alright. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is flicking a cigarette. And what it all comes down to is that I haven't got it all figured out just yet. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is giving a peace sign. I'm free, but I'm focused. I'm green, but I'm wise. I'm hard, but I'm friendly, baby. I'm sad, but I'm laughing. I'm brave, but I'm chicken shit. I'm sick, but I'm free, baby. And what it all boils down to is that no one's really got it figured out just yet. But I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is playing the piano. And what it all comes down to, my friends, yeah, is that everything is just fine, fine, fine. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is hailing a taxi cab.
Damn, bro. That was fucking sick, bro.
Yeah. Baby, it's the EV. Hardest thing you seeing on the TV. Bitches like, damn, they got them in 3D. Who the fuck is he? Bitch, you need me. Oh, Jeezy. They should have had me on the TV. But now you see the new nigga in 3D. Look, baby, this shit easy. Got my homeboy on the beezy.
Hell yeah.
Oh, the one thing I could tell everybody in the world, man.
Stay skateboarding. My dudes rock. Check them out this year. Before the end of the summer, which is coming up.